Hi guys. So we completed the job. We installed the subframe. We replaced all the seals and gaskets. We replaced the oil pan gasket, which was the cause of the leak. And now we've let the car get to operating temperature. Before we assemble everything, we're going to make sure that there's no leaks. And as you can tell, everything is beautiful and dry. Customer satisfaction is #1 for us. While doing the job, we also noticed that the control arms had ripped bushings, rear bushings. They rip quite often right here in the back. These thrust arms. So we installed new control arms. And since we were right there doing the job and dropping the subframe, we figured save the customer money in the future. So we just had them pay for the parts. We installed original control arms, but as a courtesy, we did not charge the customer for the labor. You know, we've tried to treat everyone just how we like to be treated. But yep, everything looks excellent. If we're happy, the customer is going to be happy.